In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link FiveM to Discord. By the end, your FiveM client will be properly connected to your Discord account so servers can verify you and Discord can display your activity accurately. First, open your browser and head to the official FiveM website at fivem.net. Download the FiveM client and run the installer. When installation completes, launch FiveM. The client may prompt you to authorize or connect with Discord. If you see that prompt, confirm it in the official window that appears. Keep your login secure, only sign in through the official Discord authorization screen, and never share your credentials with anyone. If FiveM doesn't prompt you, make sure you're already signed into the correct Discord account on the Discord desktop app. Having Discord open before launching FiveM can help the client detect your account seamlessly. If you have multiple Discord accounts, double check you're on the one you want linked. Now switch to the Discord app. In the bottom left corner, click the small gear icon to open user settings. This is where all your account level preferences live, including the connections that other applications like FiveM use to link to your Discord identity. Inside user settings, find the section called Authorized Apps. This page lists every application you've granted permission to access aspects of your Discord account. It's a good place to review exactly what each app can see, like your username and avatar, and to ensure only trusted apps remain connected. In Authorized Apps, look for FiveM. Depending on your setup, it might appear as FiveM or cfx.re. Click it to view details. If you see an option to authorize or reauthorize, go ahead and confirm it to finalize the link. If it's already authorized, you're good to go. Your FiveM client is linked to your Discord account. If FiveM doesn't appear yet, return to the FiveM client, launch it again, and keep Discord open so the authorization prompt can surface. A quick restart of both apps often helps them discover each other. To verify everything worked, relaunch FiveM and join a server. In most cases, Discord will show that you're playing FiveM, and servers that require Discord linking will recognize your account automatically. That's it. You downloaded FiveM, opened Discord's user settings, reviewed authorized apps, and confirmed FiveM is listed and authorized. Keep your credentials safe, only authorize through official screens, and if something seems off, restart both apps and try again. Thanks for watching and enjoy your time in FiveM.